Ever heard of a snowstorm in the ocean? Not ice, but something far stranger and absolutely vital for life in the deep sea. This isn't your typical winter wonderland. We're talking about marine snow, a continuous shower of organic material falling from the upper ocean to the abyss. It's made of dead plankton, algae, and even fish waste clumping together as it slowly descends. Think of it as the ocean's nutrient delivery service. For creatures living in the sunless, food-scarce deep sea, marine snow is their primary food source. Without it, entire ecosystems would starve. It's a silent, constant feast, sustaining life where sunlight can't reach. A truly incredible natural phenomenon. Hit subscribe for more astonishing ocean secrets.